This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Kelly Moran. Ready fall 2024. Still time to personalize. Carefree and low maintenance living in a beautiful countryside setting west / the convenience of Suffolk. Business center, Obici Hospital, grocery stores, shops and dining within minutes. The Vineyards at Hallstead Reserve, a one-story, 55-plus condominium community designed west / your lifestyle in mind. The Veneto features 9 to 10 feet ceilings throughout the dining and great room. An open concept allows plenty of natural light. The gourmet kitchen features a center island west / great counter and cabinet space. An elegant primary bedroom boasts a large walk-in closet, primary bathroom west / full ceramic shower, bench and private water closet. Private courtyard access from either the primary bedroom or kitchen. Secondary first floor bedroom and sunroom. A finished room west / full bathroom above an attached 2-car garage. Clubhouse, workout room, pool, pickleball and dog park. $7,500 in free upgrades through May 31, 2024. 1% CCA West / team lenders / attorney built by Napolitano Homes, Est. 1977. April 26, 2024. For more information, review the details below or contact Kelly Moran at 757-240-8680.